the first step is to go to your FlySky FSI6 receiver and go to System Setup, and then RX Setup, and BPM Output, and make sure this is on. If it's not on, this will not work. So you turn this on, and now we're going to move on to the wizard itself. Now, the third step is to take the connection that goes from your receiver to your flight controller, unplug it from that port, and plug it into the one on the opposite side. After that, you have to head over to the computer and change a few minor settings in Betaflight. Once you connect to your wizard in Betaflight, you're going to head over to ports. On UART 3, you're going to turn on Serial RX, then you're going to go to Configuration, scroll down to the receiver, choose serial-based receiver, and then choose iBUS. After that you're done, you can save and reboot, and the wizard should work. If you want to test it out, you can plug in your battery, go to the receiver tab, and see if these move, if you move your sticks. So that's about it. If you have any questions, you can type those in the description and I can try to help you.